Today we're going to draw a penguin from the Elf movie. And we're going to start with his face right here. And so we're going to make a C. And it's so easy. You go around. And you have a C. And that's the inner part of the face right here. And then we're going to make a bigger C around the outer edge. So we'll fill that in a little bit. So now we have a C. It's almost like a moon, but it's two C's. And then it's a line in and a line back down with a little triangle point. And then a triangle out. So you make a triangle. And then a line across the triangle. And then a little circle for the eye. And another little circle. And then for the little hair on top, a line straight up and another line straight up, and then a curve. And then the same thing right next to it. Doesn't matter how it goes, whatever shape it is. And now we're going to make a U. We'll start up at the shoulder area, right under the neck. We're going to come around with a big circle U. And then another curve starting to the right and curving to the left, right about down to here. And I'm going to round that off a little bit since I'll be coloring that in anyways. And then to the left, and then curve down, and then back to the body. Same thing on the right, to the right, and then a little curve, like a C, and then back to the body. And then we start at the bottom, and two lines down, just like that. And then we just make a bigger C, and then a loop down, and a U shape up, and then a U shape down. And then we're going to start up here and make another C. Isn't that a cute foot? And then the same thing here, is two lines down, and then this is a C to the left, and then a U shape, and then a curve to the right, and you have two cute feet. And then we're just going to draw some snow so it doesn't look like he's floating. We just put some lines here on the ice. There we go. Now we can color him in. We'll color the beak orange. If you just make a little outline inside the lines, it's easier to color in. And now we'll fill in the penguin with black. Most of it is black. color in his arm. Now the body. And if you didn't like the curve that you made, this is where you can fix it, and you can sharpen it up to the shape that you would want. This is a very simple penguin to draw. They're great for shading in your picture. So right under the body, you would shade a little bit on the leg, and just a line. And then underneath his feet where he would be standing, you just put a little bit of gray, and it gives him a nice shadow. Now we're going to outline the ice with blue. Ice and snow are always used with blue. And there you have the cute little penguin from the movie Elf. Actually, we forgot one thing. I forgot to do the eyes. There, now we have the penguin from the Elf movie.